my treasures, welcome back to Being Treasured, and today's video, as you read by the title, yes, it's going to be my go-to makeup look with glasses on. Before I get into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. To start my makeup, I like to use the Kiss Pro Touch Gold Radiance Primer. It makes my skin feel so soft, and I love the little gold specks in it. After I rub in my primer, I like to go in with my NK Makeup Perfection Multi-Use Concealer, which is super coverage. I really love this concealer. It gives me such a flawless look and it never fails me. Next will be my Revlon ColorStay Full Cover Foundation Matte in the color Almond. I really love this foundation. With this foundation, a little goes a long way, as well as it's not too heavy on my skin. Next, I will be using my beauty sponge to blend in my concealer and foundation. Normally, I do not do this, but something today was just like, go ahead and try it. And I really enjoyed the results of blending in both my foundation and concealer. Going forward, I like to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Powder in the color Mocha. I really love Fit Me because it just fits me, as well as it looks just like my skin. Like, this powder never fails. Next, I will be using my makeup palette from Sienna. Now, honestly, I do not know where I got this makeup palette from, but I do use this makeup palette for 90% of my look. After contouring my nose, I will go into that same palette using my blush brush, and I'll go in for that reddish orange look. I really love that look. It gives such a warm tone to my cheeks, and I just like that. It also kind of gives me a natural contour on my cheekbones as well. After I do my blush, I like to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. I love this powder down. Like, this is the best powder I have discovered so far for my under eye highlights. I do need to invest in more powders, but so far this one has not failed me. After that, I will be using my Lash Paradise mascara. Now, this mascara I love because it really elongates my lashes and it doesn't clump my lashes up too bad to the point that I have to start separating my lashes myself. After mascara, I will go in with my Kiss Matte Finish Setting Spray, which is long lasting. I really love a matte look. I think matte looks just hit different from a glowy look to me, but as well as glowy looks do eat. But for me, I love a matte. After I set my face, I'll go in with my LA Girls Perfect Precision Eyeliner. Now, I use this as a lip liner because for some reason, lip liners do not have that perfect brown like eyeliners do. So yes, I definitely use this as my lip liner. After I finish lining my lips, I like to go in with my LA Girl Pro.Conceal concealer in the color Porcelain to start as a base before I put my color onto my lips that I want to do. Going in with my makeup palette before, I'm using the color Devoted. With this color, I'm using this to give my lips more of a pinkish color. After I finish using Devoted, I then go in with the color Oasis just to give it like a little highlight to my lips, and then it being that bold pink all around. After I finish coloring my lips, I like to go in with this Glam lip oil from Shein. Now, it's actually a lip plumper, but I just like the fact that it really oils my lips really good. Now, I don't particularly notice a difference in the plumping, but I just like it in general. Using the same makeup palette, using the color Conquest as my highlight. As I mentioned before, this palette is my go-to for majority of my makeup look. It's my highlighter, my blush, my contour, or even eyeshadow when I'm bored. Okay, so my treasures, this is the finished look. I really love the way this makeup look with glasses came out. I hope y'all enjoyed my go-to makeup look with glasses on, and I hope you stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much, my treasures. See you next time. Bye.